Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel here. Today I'm going to share with you guys the best way to wash your protective styles. Though the video was uploaded 3 weeks ago, my protective styles is actually a month and 2 weeks. So I'm gonna come closer to the camera so you guys can see the build up I have and the flake in my scalp, because it is very important to clean your protective styles when you have them on, so your hair can breathe a fresh hair, and it will also help your hair to thrive because your scalp is clean and ready to grow faster. So this is how my scalp look like right now. It's a lot of flake. You might not see it very well, but there's a lot of flake, guys. So if you can see that the strand of that particular protective style is a lot of build up. Did you guys see that? So this is the reason why you want to wash your hair even if you have protective styles on. Okay, you want to wash your hair to get rid of that dirt. So I will be preparing my scalp. I will leave the link in the card area how I prepare this oil. Okay, so I will go ahead and oil my scalp. It's just like prepare when you prepare your hair, but this time I'm just gonna use it on my scalp because I have protective styles on, and this is gonna help my scalp also by the time I start preparing, so the shampoo doesn't strip my hair. Okay, so this is the main reason why I used it, and the other reason why I want the oil to protect my scalp, my cuticle, my scalp and cuticle, and avoid it from hydro fatigue. We'll get more to that in the future, but now we're gonna concentrate on this. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply the oil all over my scalp, and I will start massaging my scalp. So by applying oil to your scalp, when you have your protective styles on, it does really help to soften the build up, and by the time you shampoo your hair, it really help, and it really help your scalp and your hair for the shampoo, as I said, not to strip all the goodness or all the natural oil out of your scalp. Okay, and I'm just gonna massage. You're gonna massage very gentle. I was doing this very gentle for a few seconds, then I will wait for 10 minutes before I shampoo my hair. Please, when you massaging your scalp, you want to be very gentle. Okay, be very gentle. I really love this method, and it's the first time I tried this method. I do love it, and it was the best method ever. Did you guys see how my hair looked like in that corner? There was a lot of build up by applying oil to my scalp, by oiling my scalp before shampooing. Did you guys see what happened? It just like the build up disappeared. But that doesn't mean my scalp is not dirty. The only thing that the oil is doing is try like to softening the build up and make make it easier for me by the time I shampooed my scalp. Did you guys see that? This method is the best way. So this is what I will be using to shampoo my hair. I'll be using it Tresemme. I have my applicator bottle, my spray bottle, and some water. I'm gonna try to put some water in the applicator bottle, and then I will pour a little bit of my shampoo into the applicator bottle, and I will shake it together before I start using it. First of all, you have to shake it very well to mix the water and the shampoo together before using it. So now I'm gonna spray my scalp with water first, and I will apply my shampoo. Did you guys see how easy it is? This is so easy. When I start doing this, I was like, wow, look, there are a lot of methods out there on how to clean your or how to wash your protective styles, but I think this is the best way. Oil your scalp, because by oiling your scalp, you are protecting your scalp. Spray your hair with water and apply your shampoo. And you want to dilute your shampoo always. Is the best way, because the more liquid in your shampoo is, the easier it will help you to work, because now you have protective styles on. And this was so nice. This was so nice, guys. It's the best way. And one thing I will also advise you, before you start shampooing your hair, you should put a towel in your neck, because at the end I get some towel because the shampoo was dripping out of my hair. So you will need a towel. Put a towel in your neck before you start shampooing. So I'm just gonna repeat this all over my hair, my scalp, before I wash it out with water. By the time you start shampooing, when you get into your shower, it's gonna be much easier, because now your scalp is already worked. Like, you've already worked on your scalp, and the protective style won't be difficult for you to work with at all. This is the method I will be using from now on, because I've always had protective styles. I've always washed my hair in a different way, but this is the best method that I find out, and it was my easiest wash day ever. Like, on protective styles, it was the easiest way, and I really love this method so far, because it's really, really nice. So I'm just gonna massage my scalp when I'm working with the shampoo, then I will repeat that all over my scalp. I will go to the shower to shower and wash everything out of my scalp. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn your notification bell, because that is how you will get notified anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. I do appreciate you guys, and welcome to the family. So guys, I'm gonna finish what is left in the back of my hair and go to the shower. So after I showered and washed my hair, this is how my hair look like. This is how my hair and my scalp look like. It look very clean, and there is no flakes anymore, and there is no buildup. So I will be also doing how to moisturize and keep your protective styles, but I will be doing it in a separate video because I don't want this video to be too long. I hope you enjoy watching. Please share it with your friends and family, and any friends of you that will find this helpful. And if you enjoy watching, please don't forget to comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. I do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you soon. Bye.